I hate getting the hiccups. Why does that even happen? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated and moves unexpectedly. Triggers like eating too fast, swallowing air, drinking fizzy drinks, or sudden temperature changes can cause this muscle spasm. When it happens, air rushes in quickly and a small door in your throat snaps shut, creating the familiar sound. Jeff has this week's Spot on Science explaining why we get the hiccups.
Ever had that happen in the middle of class, dinner, or right before you're about to say something important? Ugh, not again. Today we're going to solve the mystery of why do we get hiccups? Let's dive inside your body and meet the star of the story, your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is a big muscle that sits right under your lungs and helps you breathe. When you breathe in, it pulls down to let air into your lungs. When you breathe out, it relaxes and moves back up. Most of the time, it works quietly in the background until something bothers it. Like what? Eating too fast, swallowing air, drinking fizzy soda, getting too excited or nervous, or even a sudden change in temperature. When one of these things happens, your diaphragm can spasm. That means it's moving without you controlling it. And when that happens, you suck in air really fast. But here's the twist. Your body slams shut a door in your throat called the glottis at the same time. And that's exactly what causes the funny sound. So is there anything we can do to help them go away? Sometimes it helps to hold your breath for a little bit. Or take a slow sip of water. What do you think? What are some of your remedies for curing the hiccups?
That's better. Good tip, Jeff. It did not work. What else can I try? For our Right to Us this week, we'd like to hear your remedies for dealing with the hiccups. You can use our inbox form online to send in your answers. I cannot wait to hear all of your answers. Hopefully, I don't still have the hiccups by then.